This video is sponsored by Artlist.
So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out cause you kept cutting the cord, and I started to fade into your gray.
Hey guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have another behind the scenes video for you guys. I did this photo shoot on my trip to Hawaii to bring you some warm, sunny weather with sand and ocean and beautiful island views. Also in this video I will talk about using props and tips on how to use them, where to find them. I will also use the 28 to 70mm RF f2 lens in this video, which is new for me. I don't normally shoot with zoom lenses. So it's going to be a good one, so let's get started. Roll in the sand, in this, wet the dress, okay, and like get all super sandy.
Okay. I played like this in the sand as a little kid.
And I want this shell again. And then all of these like are cool too. Yeah, you can hold it like that. Oh yeah. Oh, that's real nice. And let's give her some on her shoulder. Yeah, don't more. Yes. What if you like hold it somewhere? Try to play around with it. Like maybe. Yeah, I actually kind of like that. Yeah. I like that. I like that a lot. Yes, I like that. Yes, that's beautiful. Yes, I like that. Can we move all of this just a little bit closer to the water? You don't have to get like in the water like we did before, but just like close, so like maybe your legs like hit the water. Yeah. You can like have it here or like you hold. Oh yeah, you were holding it like this with your arm. That looked really nice. You were doing it more like your arm. So you had it, you were kind of like almost like holding it like this, I think. Yeah, somehow. Here, let me see. I have a picture. I don't know how that was.
Just like touch it.
Yes, yeah. Yes, exactly. Yes, that's beautiful. Oh, and look at me here. Yes. Oh, you're such a mermaid. Just a beautiful mermaid. Yes, oh, I love that, Alex. Yes, oh, say, do it even more with your shoulder like that. Yes. Here I decided to add a few more props, and going with the whole shell, ocean, mermaid theme, I added shell necklaces and draped them on Alex's back, and I wrapped another necklace around her wrist. One tip for choosing props is making sure that they actually make sense and help create a story within your images. Shells are a very easy and timeless choice for the beach, and the dress complements this scene as well. The crochet kind of looks like a fishnet in a way, and in my head I was creating a story of a mermaid that just got her legs. Also, notice that the color of the props and the dress match the sand and work nicely with Alex's skin tone. Also, the yellow sand color is complementary to the blue ocean water. Every element here is thought through, and that's what makes a good image.
I'm moving on. I know times are tough, but I've had enough. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. some time, but I'll be alright. I'm moving on.
So before we move on to the next look, I wanted to thank Artlist for sponsoring today's video. Artlist is a highly curated music licensing platform. You guys know that music is very important to me, and I spend a lot of time looking for a perfect song that fits my videos, and Artlist just makes it really easy. You can search music by mood, theme, instrument. You can choose songs with vocals or instrumental versions, or even search based on length and BPM. I also love the similar song feature because I usually need 3 or more songs for my YouTube videos. Once I find one that I like, it's really easy to find more. You can also check out the curated collections, and with so many different themes that get updated all the time, you're bound to find what you're looking for. All songs that you hear in today's video, including the one playing right now, are from Artlist. You can start downloading unlimited amount of songs for only $9.99 a month with the personal license, which includes music for YouTube and other social media, or just $16.60 a month, which will cover the commercial projects as well. And you can use those songs forever, even after your subscription expires. I think that's a fantastic deal, so if you'd like to check out Artlist, click the link in the description, and when you sign up through my link, it will also give you 2 months for free. So thanks again to Artlist, and let's get back to the video. For the second look, I wanted to use a piece of wet fabric instead of the dress, similar to what I did in Miami, if you guys remember that video. If you haven't seen it yet, I will link it in the description. I had this purple fabric that's chiffon, I think, and it clings to the body really nice. You definitely want to use something sheer and light to get this effect. And the cool thing about this fabric is that you can experiment with it and create many different looks with it. You can kind of create many dresses, tops, and skirts with it. It's very versatile and creative. I definitely want to do more shoots with fabric in the future. I did change the purple color of the fabric here. I thought that this blue matched better with the background, but let me know if you like the purple or the blue better. For this last set, I got Alex to lay on the sand again, close to the water, and at first I wanted to use the fabric just as a top, but then I decided that it looks better when it covers the swimsuit bottoms. Also this time, I decided to flip her position and have her arms in the water instead of the legs. And then of course I decided that I need the props bag, so we added the shell necklace and I gave Alex the smaller shell to hold in her hand.
Cerquita, bebecita, ese cuerpo tuyo yo la tengo conocida. Yo me vuelvo loco y te lo quita. No vas a salir herida. Deseando tu carita, lo que me excita. Compramos un Balenciaga para que los critican. Después fumamos y después tomamos. Justo piste como era allí fuera. Lo real. ¿Qué me está pasando a mí? Tú me estás tentando a mí. Y yo aquí pensando en ti. ¿Qué me está pasando a mí? Tú me estás tentando a mí. Y yo aquí pensando en ti.
I did try to get a shot of Alex scooping the water with the shell and then splashing it on herself, but something just wasn't quite working for me. But I'm not abandoning this concept though. I will try it again in the summertime with a different setting and a different outfit. So the shot that I ended up doing is just a simple pose with the shell, which is nice as well. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment. It helps my channel. Thanks to Artlist for sponsoring this video. And if you'd like to help Ukraine, I will continue leaving links to trusted organizations where you can donate. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!